Sorry for that. I had a kind of a small hiccup with the internet, which is normal. Yeah, at this stage, I think it's not something new to you all. But what I was saying was, this down candle, if we trade through it, then we are most likely gonna continue going down. So watch that for today. If you drop down to the 15 minutes time frame, you can see this fair value gap here. Okay, so watch that. If we close below it, we'll be trading somewhere there, and then a continuation to the downside. So gold, watch this gap, let them trade through it, and then we look for continuation to the downside. Crude oil price did not give me a run above the high to form the high of the week, and price went straight down. Okay, so as it stands, I think we are going to trade to 62.17. So 62.17 is your next downside objective. Now, because of how it couldn't make a high yet, because that's Monday, that's Tuesday, that's Wednesday, it's a little bit, I would say, dangerous to go short. So if you're going to sell, make sure you are not exposing yourself too much. It's not the highest probability, but focus on the up candle and your stop loss above it. Okay, the up candle and your stop loss above it. If it close above, or if it stop you out, then chances are they still want to come back up here somewhere before reaching for the 62.17 level. Okay, so make sure that you don't expose yourself too much. This high is enough, and then you look for the continuation to the downside. Okay, ES, so ES also made a new high, which is surprising to me, but it's not surprising at the same time, because the higher time frame is looking for higher prices. I think we did the projection the last time, and I gave you where it's likely gonna go. I was expecting them to at least pull back to form a seasonal low, and then we go up for the October, November, December period. The fact that they've gone above this kind of maybe suggests the seasonal low that usually forms every year might not form. Hence, be careful if you are going long, because at any given point in time they might pull back before going back up again. Usually it should have started like this month to come down before going up every year. Okay, August, I think I showed you the last time, something like this, and then this to form a seasonal low, something like this to form a seasonal low, then we go up. So the fact that you can see anytime it forms that around that time of the year, okay, that red candle, that's what formed here. So I was anticipating that to be a seasonal high, and we send price lower to form a seasonal low before we go up, but that wasn't the case. So be very careful, especially now that they're above this high. Okay, because any point in time this month, anything random can come in and bring price down. Okay, so be very careful. At least even minimum they should have dipped into this fair value gap before even going up, but that wasn't the case. which has surprised me very, very much, but it's all part of it. Now we're above this high. Watch this down candle as your protection. That's your protection, and if we pull back, you expect price to go up. If we don't break down, you're gonna attack this equal low and then come a little bit lower. So again, watch this down candle. Does that mean you can buy today? Yes. Based on what is happening, look for continuation to the upside. So this New York session gap, if we come back to it, you're looking for a buy to continue going up. If we trade through it, that might be your first sign that price is not going to go up. So just watch this for now, for today. It's not 2 p.m. yet, so watch that. You can also watch this. Okay, so your first attempt at 2 p.m. If we hit this, and then on the 15 minutes, we give you a fair value gap, use that one to start looking for the continuation. Don't do anything until we've hit that and given a 15 minutes fair value gap. If we come down and you buy straight away and they trade through it, that will be on you, because you need to let them show you that they really want to use this to continue going up. If for whatever reason they trade through it and come here, the same thing, wait for a 15 minutes fair value gap to form, then use that one to continue going up. Okay, all right, so that is that for the ES. Now let's turn our attention to the Bitcoin and Solana market, or crypto market. So yesterday we even failed to get into that gap and then rejected, and so far we are heading back up again, which is basically what should happen. So yeah, look for that continuation to the upside. On the H4, it gave you this candle. So yesterday when we were having our session, I think it was around somewhere here. It was around somewhere here, this one, and I wanted them to dip in here and then start rejecting, but it traded through that up candle, that gap, and then price never looked back. That candle becomes a breaker, and they're using it to continue going up. On the H4, it created an order block and created a fair value gap. We came back to it, and then we're seeing a shoot to the upside. So expect it to continue going up from here. Yesterday I gave you Ethereum to buy to go to the 4506 level and 4876 level, because that's the all-time high right there. So just look for a continuation to the upside. Okay, Solana, amazing. It didn't even come to the OTE level and then shot right back up. So on the H4, that gave you an order block, and then it never looked back. So 2020.25, that is still the upside objective. Okay, so again, if you've missed the buy, wait for a down candle to form, let them close above it, then you look for the buy to continue going up. Ripple, same thing, you're gonna come back up to 3.6623. That's your upside objective on Ripple. I think it's gonna continue going up. So yeah, just look for buys only. do not sell. Not great idea for selling. Hype, that also failed to get to OTE, rejected, auto block formed, fair value gap, pullback, and then we have now it's created another auto block here. So if we were to come back, you're gonna buy to target these upside objectives. If it pulls back, you're gonna buy to target these upside objectives. AI 16Z, that also rejected the fair value gap yesterday nicely. Hence, let's see if they can go through this up candle. If we can, we'll be coming up here and probably up there as well, because as I was anticipating this month, if we can get this month to shoot up and close above the previous month high, that will be the best thing ever. That will make my month. Okay, if August can go all the way up to that and close, okay, stay above it and close, it will begin a very, very good climb back up to the 45 or 40 level, that strong resistance level up here. Okay, so let's see. Let's break this up candle first, and then finally Chachki. They are still inside the gap, the first down candle after a series of up candles. We want to see this candle maybe take out this low and reject and start coming back up again. The drawn liquidity is 0.0000015. That is the drawn liquidity. So patiently wait for a H4 down candle again, because that one did not work out. Wait for a H4 down candle again, or you can use this buy, stop loss, or liquidation point, and then expect a continuation to the upside. Okay, so I think the Bitcoin market going up is a good sign that all the cryptos are supposed to be going up. So all your trades on Bitcoin, all your trades on the cryptocurrencies for now are supposed to be buys only. So expect a continuation to the upside. Okay. All right. So that's pretty much it. Again, dollar index, we are looking at this area, the inverted fair value gap over here, to give us something for today. Okay, so that's your focus for today for the euro, the pound. For the pound, you're waiting for the previous this high. We are waiting for this high. Okay, if they take it out and then start rejecting, that is your clue for a potential sell. All right, and as I mentioned, euro pound, we are looking for a run to attack this low. So that's your focus for today. So have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful day. My network is playing up over here, but I'm glad we are done. So I'll see you all same time tomorrow for another session. And just a reminder again, as I keep saying, I will be traveling next month on the 8th, so I will not be here for the rest of the month of September. Our last session is going to be on the 5th of September. All right, so just keep that reminder, and then I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.